Welcome to MetaMask versus Zengo wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description. In this video, we'll compare MetaMask and Zengo wallet, focusing on their features, target users, and unique advantages to help you make an informed decision. MetaMask is one of the most popular hot wallets, designed for users actively engaging with Ethereum-based dApps, DeFi platforms, and NFTs. It's available as a browser extension and mobile app, offering support for Ethereum and other EVM-compatible networks like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. MetaMask allows users to manage tokens, connect directly to dApps, and even perform token swaps within the wallet. It's ideal for crypto enthusiasts and developers who need seamless access to the Web3 ecosystem. However, being a hot wallet, it requires users to take extra precautions with their private keys and seed phrases, as it's more susceptible to phishing attacks and malware. Zengo Wallet, by contrast, is a mobile-only wallet focused on ease of use and enhanced security, making it ideal for newcomers and casual crypto holders. What sets Zengo apart is its keyless security infrastructure. Instead of traditional private keys, it uses threshold cryptography, splitting the cryptographic secret between the user and Zengo servers. This eliminates the risk of losing access due to misplaced seed phrases and significantly reduces vulnerability to attacks. Zengo also offers features like in-app crypto purchases, staking, and simple portfolio tracking, all wrapped in a user-friendly interface. However, it has a more limited range of supported coins compared to MetaMask and doesn't integrate directly with dApps. The choice between MetaMask and Zengo comes down to your priorities. If you're a Web3 enthusiast needing extensive dApp compatibility and support for multiple networks, MetaMask is the clear choice. On the other hand, if you're seeking an intuitive wallet with innovative security and straightforward functionality, Zengo is an excellent option for peace of mind. Both wallets serve different needs, so check the links below and decide which suits you better. Share your thoughts in the comments.